to the channel. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm not sure about you guys, but I am so ready for spring, guys. I mean, this past weekend or this past week we had 2 days where we had a 72 degrees weather and 77 degrees weather, and I was like, oh my goodness, this feels so good. This past winter was so brutal. I feel like every single winter has been brutal for the past like 3 years, and yeah, I couldn't just wait to get to a time where we start getting ready, cleaning, and getting our homes ready for that spring and summer vibes. So as you guys can see, I just came in and we're just gonna start our spring cleaning series. Of course, this is gonna be the first one. We're gonna start deep cleaning and getting everywhere ready, and we're gonna give our home that airy and homely vibes. And of course, I'm gonna start off with my window. You guys know during winter nobody is thinking about the outside, nobody is thinking about their windows, their doors, and all those things. So that is exactly what we're going to be tackling today, all the major places we need to start deep cleaning. So guys, get ready, just get all your cleaning products. Let's go ahead and get started. And as you guys can see, I mean, throughout winter I was looking at this net in my windows, and oh my goodness, they had all the dust and all the debris on them, and I couldn't wait to get to them. So all I did was to go ahead and steam, like kind of steam the net, and it makes it so much easier to get the whole that wet and whatever. So I went in with my towel, cleaned out that net very well, and of course I proceeded to my outside windows. As you guys can see, I have my handy dandy ladder but I think I'm gonna go to Amazon and look for, I believe they say it's a window cleaner or something, where you can stand on the floor and you're able to clean out your windows. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for that. But anyways, you guys, as you guys can see here, I went ahead and I sprayed some method cleaner on my windows and on my doors. I went ahead and I cleaned that out. My windows and my glass doors are looking so nice and clean right now. So we're gonna go ahead and proceed for the inside. As you guys can see, my staircase, it's this is like the staircase where this is our main staircase, guys. We have the front staircase, but we usually do not use the front. It's always the back staircase. So I'm gonna go ahead and just vacuum it, hand vacuum it. I love to use my hand vacuum. It makes it so much easier, unlike the main vacuum. Like I always find myself struggling whenever I have the big vacuum, to vacuum my staircase. So using this handheld vacuum makes it so much easier. It makes it so much fun to go ahead and vacuum up your staircase. That is exactly what I'm going to be doing here. And we are also going to go ahead and vacuum the house, because we're going to be deep cleaning the floors. We're going to give our floors some TLC. I don't know how to express this, guys, but I feel like we need to normalize investing in our homes as much as we invest in our looks and image. I mean, this is kind of a very huge passion I have, where I just want to get women, get us to just as much as we want to look good, I want it also to translate to our homes. Whenever I go out, I always find myself running back home, because I love to invest in my home. I love to make sure that my home is neat, my home is clean, my home is organized. I just wish there is this like volume of women who are so invested in making sure their home is clean, making sure their home is like their sanctuary, making sure that as we go outside, we all know what is happening in the world right now. Everywhere is going helter skelter. But right, when you think about your home, when you think about going home, you know that you're going home to a very nice, clean, organized. I am the type of person that even if you put me in a one bedroom house or in a or in a self-contained, this goes back to even when I was in school, like when I was in college, my schoolmates or my hostel mates, they knew that you can't joke with me when it comes to my bed, my corner, making sure everywhere is nice and arranged. I feel like this is something that I've been practicing for years and years and years and years, and I am just so used to having a clean, organized and welcoming home. But anyways, you guys, as you guys can see, we went ahead and we cleaned out all the floors downstairs. Like I said, this is gonna be series, so definitely look out for the bedroom, you know, transforming our bedroom for spring and summer. But for today, we tackled the windows, the doors, the floors, and also some areas where we need to always pay attention whenever we are cleaning. We're gonna get to that. As a matter of fact, guys, let me know if there are areas like when it comes to spring cleaning you guys want me to tackle. Maybe there is a topic you want me to treat. Just let me know, guys, because I mean, restoring the home series, when it comes to this spring, it's all about restoring order, peace and beauty to our home, one intentional clean at a time. It's about caring for the space that carries our everyday lives, even with kids, messes and real moments, guys. So yeah, definitely let me know. And if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit that like button below and definitely hit the subscribe button, because here we treat everything when it comes to our homes, ourselves, self-care, skincare, beauty, fashion. We treat all on this channel, so definitely click that subscribe button. And as you guys can see, I proceeded to go ahead and clean out the remaining of the floors, like my office, the staircase, and yep, guys, this right here is a very nice deep clean. And oh, I forgot to talk to you guys about my Swiffer. Like, this makes cleaning so much easier. It makes cleaning like a breeze, you know. It comes with the solution and also the cleaning pad, so it makes it so much easier. So guys, once we are done with that, as you guys can see, look at all those dirt. All you just want to do now is to go ahead and toss it inside your washing machine, and that will be it. And now the next day, guys, we're gonna proceed to tackling all those areas we usually would forget when we are cleaning. I mean, our baseboards, the back of the refrigerator, our fans, our ceilings. We're just gonna go ahead and tackle that. As you guys can see, I went ahead and I sprayed my method spray on this cleaning stick right here. I picked it up from Amazon, and I love the fact it has some curvatures on it, so it makes it so much easier to go in and clean out your basement, your baseboards, guys. Baseboards is one of those areas in our homes we always kind of ignore during cleaning, especially during mopping, guys. So I love the fact that I'm able to like clean my floors and then go ahead and concentrate with this tool right here. I love to use this tool, go ahead and clean out all the baseboards. I mean, it feels so bad and so ugly when your floor is clean and then your baseboards is a mess. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and quickly tackle that and then proceed to the next place where we usually would forget during cleaning. As you guys can see, I'm going ahead to draw out my refrigerator. This refrigerator was so heavy to draw out, guys. I don't know how I did it, but I was able to do it. I drew it out and oh my goodness, the back of that refrigerator was it was a mess, guys. The back, look at that. You guys are gonna look at this. Look at this. I don't know who spilled, I don't know if it's cereal or beans. Like that refrigerator have been collecting a lot of dirt. So I'm so happy. Like I was so happy that I was able to get to read, you know, just clean that out, you know, make it nice and clean. I mean, this is, like I said, this is one of the areas we always forget to clean during our deep cleaning time. So yeah, try to draw out your refrigerator because your refrigerator also collects a lot of dirt. It is crazy how much dirt our above the refrigerator collects, guys. I was shocked. I was so shocked when I looked up above my refrigerator and there was a lot of dust. So I'm going ahead to go to clean that out, guys. I feel like it's probably better if you have things on top of your refrigerator because that is going to prevent dust getting on top of it. But anyways, we went ahead and cleaned that out, and as you guys can see, I mean, it's spring. Before you know it, it's going to be time to go ahead and put on your ACs, go ahead and put on your fan. And I went ahead and I used my pillowcase, you know, my pillow cover. This makes it so much easier in case if there's any dust on, like, above your fan blade, as you guys can see. So an easy way to go ahead and clean it out is just to use your pillowcase, open it up, as you guys can see me doing here, put it on the blade and just roll it down, and whatever, of course, tie it because you don't want to roll it down and then spread all the dirt and everything on your couch or on your floor. So it makes it so much easier. That is exactly what you saw me do here. And of course, when it comes to our ceiling, we have, if you're in an area that have a lot of spiders, of course, you guys know spiders love to build their spider web on the ceiling. So going ahead to use this stick, this cleaning stick, to just, I mean, everything you guys can see me use here, I'm going to link them in my description box because I'm sure you guys are probably interested in some of the products you see me use here. So definitely check out my description box for that. But as you guys can see, I went ahead and I cleaned out my ceiling, my fan, and over here, of course, you guys saw when we started from the beginning of the video, we cleaned the staircase, but we forgot. It's not that we forgot, I kept that for the next day. The rails, of course, you guys know the rails is where people would always hold their hands when they are walking up and down the stairs, and this, you will not, like, you can't even begin to imagine the kind of dirt or germs that or gems our staircase, you know, our staircase handles collect. So I'm going ahead to wipe that down, and then I went in with my Lysol wipes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe my switches, my door handles, you know, all those areas that people would always use. But yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this part of the series. Definitely let me know what videos you guys want to see throughout our spring cleaning, and of course, don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Until my next video, I will see you guys very, 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 very soon. I love you. Bye.